The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Yes, manners, you see? Alright, so I have a few topics that I want to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you about. Before I get into any details, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And it would be much appreciated, alright? Alright, now the first thing I want to talk to you about is about this thing that some persons call crate challenge. I don't know if there is another name for it or if there are other names for it. You see me, I don't know. But if there are other names for it or if there's a name for it, let me know in the comment section. You see? Now, the first time we get an understanding about this crate challenge, as how some persons call it, see, is when we see a video posted on social media that had been recorded somewhere within the United States of America. I saw that video sometime within the month of August, the year 2021. And when I saw the video, I didn't pay the video much mind, you know. It's not until another day when I saw another video that shows someone on top of some crates and the person fall. When the person fall, me look on the video and me say, you see me? So me I say, why would somebody do something like that? In my point of view, I think that this so-called crate challenge is as dangerous as wrestling. I think it is as dangerous as even boxing too. See? If you're not careful and if you don't stop this thing, it might claim our lives like COVID-19. Now, we get the understanding that this so-called crate challenge has become a trend because we see more than a dozen videos posted on social media that shows quite a number of persons doing this so-called crate challenge. Then we see more than one videos posted on social media that had been recorded within the country of Jamaica that show persons doing the same thing or something similar to the so-called thing that is known as crate challenge. Listen to me carefully to each and everyone worldwide, not just Jamaica, worldwide. Do not do that thing that is known as crate challenge. It is dangerous. I'm telling you that I think it is dangerous. And I'm asking persons worldwide, or each and everyone worldwide, do not do this thing that is known as crate challenge. It's dangerous. Alright? I'm going to leave that right there. So you can let me know what you think about this so-called thing that is known as crate challenge. But me just tell you what I think. And I'm going to move on to our video. Alright? I have a video I'm going to present to you, and this video has been recorded within a country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not know when the video has been recorded. This video shows when a man attacked a police officer from within a country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The police officer was in a police service vehicle and the person was attacking the police officer through the window of the police service vehicle. See? Now, I'm going to present the video to you so that you have a better understanding about the whole incident. And then after that, I will tell you what else I know about the person pertaining to the incident, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Well, why the next one I come out yet and only man? Them are stopping, them reversing. Then I'm alright. The people are them Stop. Hey, yo, man, you stay there?
No, look to see it. I don't know. Can you drive out you coming?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I wonder if that man have some form of mental health issue or something, because I don't think anybody in their right mind would attack a police officer. I don't think so. So I say. Anyways, I saw a picture circulating on social media where it is said that the man had been apprehended by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information if the man had been charged or what. You know, that's all the information that I got. Yes, I say. So I guess I'm never left it, you know. But if I get any more information about the incident, I will let you know in the comment section of this video. Alright? Yeah, and you can also let me know what you think about the video or about the incident as well. Alright? Alright, now I see a picture that shows two things made out of metal that look like a pair of slippers. I don't know who made those things. I am not sure if the person or persons made those things as some form of artwork or whatsoever. You see me? But I know that I wouldn't wear those if those are said to be slippers. See? Them most heavy, they look tough. You understand? Me only can imagine how they're supposed to feel by anyone's feet if anyone decide to try them on like slippers or wear them like slippers. So, well, I make you know about that picture or about those two things. Alright, now I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are from one entire video that had been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The entire video had been posted on social media sometime within the month of August the year 2021. These pieces of videos shows some things that happened during an incident where it is said that a female had been arrested by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. It is said that the female was in her yard and the police took the female out of her yard and she had been arrested by the police within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly why the female had been arrested. Alright, now let's take a look at these videos and see if we can get an understanding about the whole incident. Please bear in mind that some things have been shown and said in these videos that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see nor hear. Some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look. Listen and observe.
We yard. We yard. So go, what's my top? Pick it up there. We yard. The lock up the woman in she yard. Watch out, you look at the top the woman. Watch out, you look at the top the woman. Let's see, boy. The woman in the yard, boy. I go in and pose this now, boy. We yard. All you come in the yard. Watch all the neighbors, everybody see. We yard. All boys. All the wicked, boy. Hey, we yard. Yeah, it costs me first, and I tell him I have some respect for yourself. We yard. Oh, let's go and take it. Come here, let's touch now.
That's why I'm my premises. All of them is my tenants.
I see here, boy. Because I see here, boy.
No, you have to make sure I know everything on camera.
You don't know everything.
Everything. Where that punching come from?
They take that from inside of Michael car.
Oh.
They take that from inside Michael car.
Oh,
yeah, they take that from inside Michael car. They take that rum from in Michael car. They take that from inside Michael car.
Red man. That you even see with people in it. You shop it. That you even see
live.
people. You not shop it.
We live. We live on Facebook and Instagram. Now look at people up the road watching on the road. Fly up the road. Or they come in here and tell up again. Look at people up the road watching on the road. They come right in here and look at the girl, you know. They send we inside, we come inside, they come in the yard, you know. Because the girl say, I wanna party in the yard. I have it on camera, you know, officer, I must show you. They come in the yard and tell the girl, you know. It's on Facebook too, you know. I know, look at she don't, but she go come out. She go assure the oppression and that a black man turn upon a black woman. She not gonna make life in jail. I'm sure about that. She tell her night, she tell night, but she not gonna make life in jail. She gonna spend her 2 weeks or a week or 4 days, but she gonna come out. You understand? You come in here and lock up the girl. She gonna come out. She gonna come out, inshallah. Oh, let's drink, boy. So if we see a little girl drinking, we are on the line today. It's not 9 o'clock, which we didn't realize. The man said it's after 9. I check it. I say, oh shit, it's 11 past. Watch the people in the road, boy. Put on the side and fly up. What's this? Look at people up the road there. Look at people up the road there. Look at people up the road there. And the police right here. And they're looking up a woman from inside the yard. Look at people up the road there. Up the road they watching down. They're trying to go with the girl because she talk.
Too wicked. That was going on. Legal gunmen.
You ain't seen what's going on now. You ain't seen the cool officers and them. You ain't seen the cool officers and them bullying the asshole and them wife for. The cool officers and them. The cool officers and them functioning normal, operating normal. The wild men and them. Let me take this out of your face and listen to it.
Alright, so I wondered if the female had done anything to break any of the rules when it comes on to the state of emergency that had been set within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The reason why I wondered that is because I read a news article where it is said that the government within the country of Trinidad and Tobago had set months of state of emergency within the country of Trinidad and Tobago, started sometime earlier within the year 2021 and goes up to a date within the month of August, the year 2021. You see? Yeah, so my understanding of the state of emergency is that there are curfew hours that have been set each day where citizens within the country of Trinidad and Tobago are not allowed to go out in the public unless you're someone who have authorization to do so, like police officers and so on. You understand? Yeah, so I wondered if the female break any of the state of emergency rule within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. I wondered that, you see me? And one more reason why I wondered that is because at least one person who you can hear talking in both of those videos said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said that the female was in her yard. You understand? So all those things have me wondering that, you know, but you can let me know what you think about those videos that I just presented to you, you know. I'm just keeping you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on, alright? So big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, alright? Here's where I'm going to leave it. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you, and until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.